You want a trick? You want to see a trick? Do it.
Yeah. Hey, follow me.
I am the shop defender. You try to mob people at shop, I will kill you if you mob people at shop.
Bro, do you know that song PPAP? You know that song PPAP?
Hey, you try to hit me. Yo. No. Hey, piece that shot. If you shoot people at piece that shot.
Physically can't fix that. I restarted I think I got it because I got almost everything in texture and I almost
These kids
got all
need to learn some respect.
that texture, there was a new texture like all the buffs.
You can have it.
And I physically can't stop it. I got good damage, a ton of ammo with both. What is this T-Bot doing on the calculate? Auto reload is broken for revolvers. It doesn't even work. Eliminated him.
Out the trash.
White.
You can literally just laser someone from wherever.
Come here, White. White.
Not only that, if you can hit them, you can just attack them.
Did somebody buy me a pinata?
Please. I'm killing all of these tripwire kids because they're getting annoying as hell. Hey, bro, what is this? Not if you're killing me, no, you're cool. Hey, bro, what does he have? That was something.
No. Ow. Calm down, bro. Okay, fine. Where is that?
Failure.
Yeah, skeleton, come on, bro.
What happened?
Oh, skeleton. I'm saving you.
Everyone report the blue guy with the blue cap.
I know who did it.
The guy with the blue cap. He did it. Everyone reports a guy is using a tripwire glitch. And half Blue, he's his color code is blue, he has a blue cap and he's using a color, he's using a tripwire glitch. Oh my god. Bro, next time using tripwires, I'm gonna use the teleport thingy on
Damn tripwires. I don't see hands. I'm scared of
the they're using a tripwire.
some people that use it. Dude, I love this so much. This guy's trying to shoot me with double revolver. Oh, shoot, that. You respawn before I come in right.
Okay, good.
Dude, oh my.
Hi guys, I'm not one of those little way guys. You are not.
Now here.
So this guy's waiting for me to do something. No.
And look at
No. Dude, I hate you. People like this, you make me so mad. I hate you. This guy you own it. This guy that's holding me square. This guy that's holding me square down there.
I'm not trying to glitch music. It just happened to be, but that's just different. Thing is that I kind of mayor, but he don't have fun.
He's kind of going
Okay, well, can I tell you something? This glitch happened to me for a reason. I think it's a reason. I put everything in an entry, and now I cannot die. I have 5 bullets and shotguns. I can spawn across time and just basically fly around. And I have unlimited health. You can say. And I can't. You know what? I'm gonna say this. I don't even know. This is Animal Company's fault. I'm sorry, but it's true. Lasers attack! Sorry, I'm not. It was a glitch. So yeah, there's not very much I can do to fix this glitch, so. Objection, you're a gay retard. It took my laser wheel thing. Objection! Objection 3 times in a row is crazy. Objection! Objection! Die! I tell you, he's like... Hey, chicken nugget not dying! I can tell them... Kill the bad people. I killed the bad people. The bad one that has the trip mines. I killed the bad trip mines.
You want to go to balance beam with me?
Why? Guys, I'm blue. I'm blue with the book.
Yo, do you want to go to balance beam with me?
I don't kill the. I'm here to kill the other blood. So only using this against me. Why did I do that?
Check out the annoying. They use the glitch and then they use any.
Everybody!
Okay, so.
What?
Bro, these new upgrades are
Go back, go back, go back, go back.
overpowered. Bro,
Okay, I'm going.
Mr. X.
Kill yourself.
As soon as I... Oh my... We're invincible and kill... Yo, 9 minutes.
What just happened to my ears?
Yo, that was not... Mr. X, where are you?
I'm right here.
Bye.
Well, this is. Oh, hey, look! It's
is
a
that?
tripwire user!
Yeah?
Look, guys! Oh, the best! Yeah, they're annoying, bro. Likely, you use grenades. Grenades?
Blue, what happened?
Whoa, that's so cool, dude. That's actually really cool.
Yo, how do you get that?
Developer made.
No, keep it.
No.
I mean, I really want it, but bro, it's yours. Also, if you're gonna do it, dude, if you're gonna...
No, have it. No, have it.
Let's go do it private. Yo, someone take my... Hi, guys. What's up, twin?
You chill.
I need... chill.
Chill.
I'm chill. I am chill.
Sorry.
Bro,
I'm just trying to kill. That's fucking you. I'm chill.
Better run.
What?
They brought back OG grenades, bro. W's. It's too overpowered.
I'm about to get a kill streak, you feel me?
So many lasers.
Bro, at this point, I'm retreating. He's retreating. Grenades are too OP, bro. Oh my god.
If you have research points, you're fine. If you don't, you're cooked.
Yeah, if you don't have research points, you're cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're dead.
Explosive loadout is prime.
Oh my
The
god.
explosive loadout is the new meta. Use the explosive loadout.
Use explosions, bro. This is insane.
It's useless. Sort of. Shotgun is useless.
Shotgun loadout is useless. Crossbow is trash.
There's an upgrade where it makes you immune to one-shot shotguns.
Yeah. I already have that.
I have it.
Get back! Get back!
Wait, what is it called? What is it called? God, what is it
This is the most overpowered weapon.
Oh my... What is this? Imagine.
It's too powerful.
Oh my god.
Yeah, use that message.
Oh. You got all the upgrades?
And if you have all the health upgrades, like, you're unkillable. Yeah, I don't have every health upgrade. Wait, what is all the health upgrades? Can y'all tell me? You can just check on the TikTok. Yeah, I can't understand it. Hold on, let me check it. There's just 6. Goddamn, finally.
You're on the calculator. You
Grenades are back, or the OG grenades are back. Like the OG grenades are back? Yeah, look at the blast. Look at the blast when you use a regular grenade. Yo, you also getting upgrades?
It's the new meta.
You know what? Let me
That's what it
buy
is.
some.
So fear it.
Well, I'm trying to protect you.
Okay, guys, I'm.
I
in an emergency there.
If they catch you, if they catch you a glitch abusing with laser traps, you will be given one warning and then you'll be kicked. So you better stop doing it right now.
Dude, everyone's
Stop doing what? The laser glitch? Now if I
everyone's doing that shit.
why are you overreacting over a laser glitch, bro? That's the why can't we use them? We're just trying to have fun.
Dang.
For no damn reason, just cause you keep down. But it's a war code, bro. Calm down.
Reasonable crash out.
My war code. I want to make sure that's fair, bro. Half the people are getting straight up. Oh yeah, everyone. What did you just say? Fine. You can just use grenades to counter it, bro. Do you not see the new grenade that's like insane?
He gotta use bombs. That's the only thing he can use your.
Hype blast guy, you have been giving a warning for using laser. But the OT grenades are back. Owner, can I tell you, that's the mechanic orange that's using the glitch all the time.
Eat the pen!
Apparently. Yeah, I got him down. How does that? 3 down on my blast, I mean I don't.
Damn, bro, stop killing us with grenades, Shark!
The shark, huh?
What did we do?
Oh my.
Taking
God damn!
Yo, these kids are getting so mad over it.
Is it fine if I kick this one dude that's abusing it every...
Yeah, sure, why not?
Who did my username?
This is hard to look at, man.
Is it allowed
Just kick everyone that's abusing a glitch right now. It's annoying as hell.
me and abusing them?
Sorry, but I allow spawn killing, but no.
I can't even... You're almost overpowered.
Oh yeah, this like no skill.
So mad that we're... That's almost over in a virtual reality game. Like if it's in the game... Sorry, bad, bro. Oh my
How to get the new animal company?
Swear, I wish I could buy just my first kid. I would not ban anyone with tripwires.
I don't even have
People are actually...
Oh, Blue, why are you taking my stuff, bro?
Already. Ooh, give me my stuff back, bro.
It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It's just like get colorblind.
abusing? You're glitch abusing. They don't know.
It's funny. Alexa, stop.
Upgrade door, I cannot find
It's funny. It's funny.
Where is everyone? That's the reason why it's a war code, bro. Yeah, dude.
Wait, do you have the double jump ability yet?
Yes, I do.
Person who's...
This is why this is why.
But the grenades are so...
Bro, let me get my stuff back.
Yellow, why are you killing everyone?
Yellow dude, lick my butthole.
Hey, owner, can you, can this person, abuse the glitch?
Yellow, lick my ass.
Chill. Yeah. He'll abuse.
Not you, not you, not you, not you.
God, come to this
6'7"? Oh my 6'7". 6'7"? Oh my 6'7".
Where'd my axe go? Oh, it's all over.
What is this? We're gonna do another calculation.
Yeah. What's gonna happen? Oh, I'm so scared.
I am going to kill your
I revive you, Green. I revive you. I revive you.
Uh-oh.
Welcome.
I need to learn how to chill.
Guys, I'm a bug with the bug on. It said do not report me. I'm using the glitch to kill the people that are... Why don't I use a grenade? We're all glitching me.
Sure, wire did.
But the grenade, bro. Y'all need to try the grenade. Stop it. Report this dude. He can get banned already.
He can get banned.
He can get banned.
He can get banned easy.
Dude, I'm trying to stop you.
Well, I'm gonna record it and tell them to take it off. I'm gonna
Hey,
record it.
41. Fighting, hey,
Back out laser.
And tell
hey, bro, warning one.
That's message.
Warning one. Warning one. Warning one.
All laser people should see you. Yo, you're abusing the glitch. That's why you're getting teleported.
How am I abusing?
A warning from what?
This is just a war code that aren't supposed to use.
I mean, the owner doesn't allow like great. Like it's a war code, so basically I can't kill people. Yeah, but basically you can't. I mean, you can kill. It's a war code, but like you can't. understand. Why do war codes? You well, because like they're not supposed to have rules. No, that's literally I just bored. No rules. No.
Yo, dude, I killed that.
That we have to follow. I will control the order of the code. I do have it now, but already taken. Say it again. I'll let anyone do what they want to. Rules don't. And who the frick is
Kill all non-laser users. Death.
You know what? Actually, I understand you. You know what, Mr. War Dude? Mr. War Leader? Get Treasure, get
Not putting me in the
You take away from what?
Hey, what
You dare fish me?
Screw you guys. We're getting a giveaway.
as soon as I get the
That's not good.
You guys are getting a giveaway if you like it or not.
Of course, bro. Like, always these kids do, bro. It's so PMO, bro.
This ain't Ammo Company, this is Glitch Company. You guys are getting a giveaway if you like it or not.
Oh, y'all. Wait.
It's pissing me off.
Guys, stay away from Riri. Stay away from Riri.
Thank you, bro. No one needs to get
Yo, sweet.
Guys, I'm being chased by a retard. Someone help me.
Purple,
Getting chased
purple.
by a retard. Anyone just check.
I'm gonna jump kick that in.
Some weirdo chasing me, bro. Screaming and talking. Dude has the biggest one. Come to me. Can't even buy stuff without this kid killing me. Dude, can you kill me? Someone else kill me other than this kid, please.
Wait, Mr. Laser Guy, please.
Mike.
We just gotta try, bro. He's gotta try, guys.
Oh, guess one person is gonna get banned.
Yeah, that's cool. Bro, how many people are getting kicked? Bro, who's kicking these people? Bro, look at all these.
Why did they pack duplicating? Why did they?
Hey, it's like your own Love the warning.
The servers burn. Let the war codes be breached. Attention all animals. Let the siege begin. Let us show that the devs made a worse mistake when they added these buffs. Let's raid their death codes. Let's grief them to oblivion. Let's explode them with artillery. Let's show them what a mistake that they are and their insignificant development team that we're paying our money to fund them. What? nightmare. If you don't have the buffs,
What? He did not die.
position. We're going to siege tactics.
Like that, I do it
Get
every
out.
Red, do you like mango mush?
You're lost.
Alright. Who just hit me?
Bro, why are you trying to steal my stuff?
There was no option. There's freaking no point.
Yeah, shoot me! Shoot me!
Yeah!
Do it!
His name is John Cena. Need this.
I think you emergency nerf with this shit.
Hey, give that back.
I didn't steal anything, girl. I didn't get there.
Just really inventive. Wait, that's doing it.
I only want the goosebumps with this. You're gonna come get me.
God, come to the news station for a free gift. How'd you like, how'd you do the thing? Wait, how can you do that?
Yeah, what you doing, man?
Yeah!
Ain't no way you did that shit, man.
Guys, come to new studio. Come to the studio. Who you that? That's here.
No!
Oh! Wait.
Yes! No!
How do you do that? Tell me, please. Boys, how do you even do that?
No!
Oh my God, how do you do it?
No!
Hey, how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you You're a fucking nigga.
Yeah!
Hey man, send that works out cool.
Hey, take this, bro. I don't want that. Yeah, take that.
Thank you!
Yeah, send that works out cool.
At least I have this!
Y'all keep on killing me.
Your name. Yeah, what?
Man.
Stop, bro.
Little bro.
Hey, I'll report you, bro, if you don't start trying to kill me.
Where's my thief?
Guys, come to the news station for a gift.
I'm not alright. I'm the orange, bro.
The bubbles. Double kill.
Yellow, come on, guys, you want a gift? Guys, who wants a black? You want a free gift?
Free gift from Red.
What is this? Anybody do it?
Who wants a free gift from me?
Stop.
There's more you can upgrade about double jump.
Did you get them back?
Yeah, Orange, I'm actually gonna take
You cannot kick all the
You cheating.
Don't try and do
Is there any other way to get points?
That's supposed to get them back. You love me. That's supposed to get them back.
Sorry.
I can't hear you. Wait, come.
And I find so many glitches.
I mean, I can contact the owner. I can
Yeah.
contact the owner.
Yeah, you don't mind just
Oh,
I always play this code and I
oh,
find, like,
yeah.
so many people that I feel should get like
Oh.
kicked, not banned, but like
Yes, I do.
I wouldn't ban anyone, but I feel like just kicking would be deserved.
better than being a
Yeah, kick would be deserved.
But like, if someone just starts flipping hard on
you doing this to me?
he was like,
He was like, no,
yeah, I don't know if y'all know.
Where did they
I don't know if y'all know, but you can
Hey,
get
move out of my way.
Hey guys, who wants to be my bodyguard? Who wants to be my bodyguard? Who's the person
Take it out, you like this?
those glasses? Hey, how do you get those bodyguards? No, that's I'll buy you another. I'll buy you Wait, let me buy you. Are you
Guys, who wants a free gift? Who wants a free gift, guys? Who want a free gift, bro? Guys, who wants a free gift? Go.
Hey, Chip. No, get down, Mr. President. No, Mr. President.
Where's my bag go? Too close, bro. Too close.
Oh, don't even try it, lad.
But what am I doing?
I'll respawn. Where's my shotgun?
Sir. Hey, back up. Too close.
You want my gift, bro?
Resisting.
Yeah?
Where's the moderator? Hey!
Oh, that's what you get.
Yes, ma'am.
Get in here, Mr. President. Get in here.
Everything for me, bro.
Guys, who wants a free gift?
Man, your shotgun's kinda suck. Hey, I know that was you, boy. Hey, I know that was you, boy. Why is that one shot? Hey, check with the moderator.
Come on. Why did he try to kill me now? Guys behind you is Diddy and Diddy. You leave him alone, green guy! Why now? I got this.
That was not a bar. That was a flat sheet of steel, bro. I'll be so honest.
I'm not saying this is
You fucking move, bro. Like, you fucking bitch ass little baby.
How do you get the? Oh, how do you get those glasses? How do you get those?
Yeah, how do you get them?
How do you get those?
Right. What code?
What's the code?
Get what item? Yo, get what item?
The glasses he has on. They're not in the shop.
I don't even care about those glasses.
Yeah, is it like one time only code? Like ones that only
Yeah,
you get?
I'm here. I'm definitely.
Okay, then what's the code?
Resisting. Oh, behind you, Mr. Hey, go to your couch. Oh, couch.
Ow! Mr. Motor!
Multiple times. Yes, he's purple.
Love your
Hey, get away from him.
You fucking move. Damn.
You're that bad again, you gotta use a whole empress.
Amputate my legs. Be laugh.
Hey, can you amputate my legs, please? Can you amputate my legs, please? Ow!
Because if you close your eyes... Oh no.